Come on, Bridge. Nice. Nice, nice. Come on, go, go, go.
So he could be the coach. He was possible.
Yeah, he said that if anything, I'll come before.
And then you see him in the field.
Depends on, I mean, depends on how he's breathing.
Instead of let him put his own. I wanted him to be big, so he wasn't a crybaby.
He'll be big. The little green ones are like 5 pounds. They don't cry, they just sleep.
That's what they have to wake them up.
But you know,
And the ones that you hit.
No, Mom, everyone cries.
I don't buy it. I don't believe it.
Do they let them come home?
I don't believe it.
No. If you're under 5,
You just told me. I don't believe it for a minute. I've worked on PhD for 5 years and I know what
yeah, 30 years ago.
I know what a 7-pound baby is.
Well, see, if you're too small, then they don't wake up. But if you're too big on your phone, then that headache spot isn't annoying. It's like 6, 7.
They can't picture it. I like that one picture of him in the ultrasound where you could see her.
That was it. That was umbilical.
Oh,
No.
I was like, no. And then there's like, no, but
come on, girls, get it out of there. There we go. Go. Come on, White. Go after her. Come on, White.
I'm gonna wait to set up a little bit, maybe to get my.
Get in there. Go ahead, get on your horse. Let's go.
Finally, sometime the last one.
Nice defense. Good job, Aaliyah. Good job, girls. Good job. Stay on her, stay on her, stay on her. Come on, Wyatt.
around on the ground.
Good. Go.
Where's my BFF? Hi, dude.
Go. Come on, White.
No, it won't stay long.
Yeah, next week.
I'm still waiting for they're a popular spot. Producers. No, I wouldn't.
Come on, White, let's get in there. Come on, White. Come on. Who you guarding?
You know, she's not fun to have one in because she wakes up with all the noise and barks and there's noise.
We're at a soccer game.
More than like a regular tennis or something.
Come on.
So then you said,
Nice job.
and then he finally said, oh, I forgot that.
Come on, Hadley, that's the honor. Don't give up, son, Grace. Good job. Nice job, Grace.
No.
Come on, grab it.
He took the eyeball out.
Let's go, White.
Yeah, he took my eyeball out.
kind of lift on it and put it back in. So that. So,
Come on.
he said, he said, the vitreous fluid gets thicker as you age, and people start seeing floaters.
Come on, Hod. Move.
And
There we go. Grab it.
the reason being is
Go.
really getting
Go, White, go. Stay with it, go. Let's go, White. Come on, guys. Let's go, White.
almost like, I'm going to say like a ball, but I mean, it's not a ball, but it's soft, so it's kind of stuck together, and that's what that is.
Keep it down there.
Come on, White.
He said, happens, settles,
Muscle blue. So let her pass it in.
Go.
And wants to move away where it's by the retina. It's so thick and it starts moving and it's heavy, and that's when it goes on the retina and will get pulled. And you wind up with whatever kind of blindness. Nothing. Zero. But it's happening to you, it's happening to you.
Come on, White.
And
Come on.
I said, well, what was that I saw that? That was probably.
Let's go, White. Get those passes off.
Pulling away and.
Our side is back.
So I got to see him in a month.
Good job,
That
Lexi.
will
Good
hopefully
idea.
settle him. And then he said, because I told him it's shrinking. Like right now, it's
Good job,
right
baby.
there. He's so there it is. It's not showing up as much, but it's still there. It's not as big as it was. But the people go to the emergency rooms that don't have to because you got a clinic here. I had emergency
Good job, Ella.
Right.
Still moving around. And he said, if I get another one or if it's still there, he'll decide he's gonna laser it out.
Come on, White.
What's that? You are sure because
Yeah,
the horse. Yeah. Yeah. different kind of.
Huh? What's that, Ben? Bird Hadley red.
No, it's too new, but she hurt her ankle.
Come on. Get in there, White. Get it out. Get him out of there.
Quigley wings in front of the net.
Go. Good job.
Ready.
Come on, get it out. Good job. Come on. Come on, Ed, stay in the game. There you go.
Also,
Go. Hey, there you go. There you go. With it. There you go. Yep.
All right, I'm gonna watch you finish. Okay. Bye-bye.
Good up, Pad.
He's just on the ground. Probably has it. No.
Oh my. Yeah, Betty. Go, Carol.
Yeah.
You never know. One of those.
That's good. Better than having it roll down.
Come on, White. Stay aggressive. You got it.
Yo.
Come on. There you go.
I know, yeah. So cute.
I know, it's crazy.
The leaves there, yo.
It's the frozen stick.
Ooh. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Yeah, keep going! Come on, White! There you go, keep it up! Let's go, White!
What's on your shirt? Here's fishes. Here we go.
She rolls them up so one little vagina. So that's the size.
Camel ball?
Yeah. And then the big one around.
How do you do under there?
Put your shellfish in. Yeah.
Go, 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 come on! Come on!
Yeah, it is good.
Come on, White! Come on! Come on, get it in there! Good job, good job! Yeah, go, White, go! Jeez. You got it, White! Come on, Allie!
Get out of get it to the side.
Come on! Get there! Turn, shoot! No! Oh, get it! Nice save! Good job, Grace! Woo!
It looks like two concrete bricks.
Come on, White! Get it out of there! Watch it, White! Watch the middle! Watch the middle! Come on, Ella! Good job, Ella! Nice! Go, go, go! Come on, Ella! You got it, girl! Go, 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 go! Stay on her! Come on, come on!
Alright, first somebody go try those. Oh, I saw them. Somebody go try those.
And he kept trying to scan the passport. And I'm literally like, yeah. I'm not thinking that.
I am subscribed to like 4 things. For some reason,
Go, go, go! Come on, come on, come on! Pushing it! Nice try, nice try! River.
Come on, go.
Come on, defense, get it out of there. Good job. There we go. Come on, upfield.
Out of there.
Come on, girls.
Cross it up, Maya. Cross it up.
Good job, Grace.
For that, when we say that, there was these teachers that had to right away. Second game.
Come on,